You know those moments when the future doesn't announce itself? It just quietly walks into your life? That's exactly what just happened. Because for the first time ever, you can actually order a humanoid robot for your home. Not a concept, not a CGI dream. A real living, breathing piece of tomorrow. And its name is Neo. It costs $20,000. And yes, that's a lot of money. But what you're looking at isn't just another gadget or smart speaker. This is the first real housekeeper robot you can buy today. It does your chores, talks to you, learns from you, and it remembers. This is Neo, the world's first consumer-ready humanoid made by 1X. And the craziest part? Deliveries start in 2026. This isn't 10 years away, it's next year. For decades, we dreamed of this moment. We grew up watching Rosie the robot clean the Jetsons' kitchen, or Data helping humans explore the stars. But now, it's real. A humanoid that lives in your house, quietly doing the work you don't have time for, folding laundry, watering plants, tidying your living room, all while you get to spend your evenings how they were meant to be spent, living. My name is Bernd, and today we're launching Neo, our humanoid for the home. This moment didn't happen overnight. It started decades ago with one simple dream: to make a robot that could live safely and naturally among people. And that's the first thing you notice about Neo. It's not intimidating. It doesn't feel like a machine that wandered out of a lab. It feels alive, in a calm sort of way. Neo's body is wrapped in a soft lattice polymer shell, its joints powered by a tendon-driven system, giving it movement that's so smooth, it's almost human. Every gesture is quiet. Every motion, low energy and deliberate. You could walk right beside it and barely hear a sound. Just 22 decibels. That's quieter than your fridge humming in the background. It weighs just 66 pounds, but it can carry up to 55 and lift up to 154. That's not a toy. That's a legitimate household worker that can pick things up, move them, and handle tasks with human-level dexterity, thanks to its 22 degrees of freedom in each hand. And yet, it's gentle enough to fold your laundry. But what really sets it apart isn't the mechanics. It's the personality. Each Neo greets you by name. You turn it on, and it says, "Hey, I'm Neo. I'm here to help around the house. What's your name?" You tell it, and from that moment, it remembers you. It's strange. The first time you see it move, you don't think robot. You think companion. The magic happens when you're not even there. You can schedule chores like watering plants every Tuesday or tidying the house before you come home. You leave, and when you return, the dishes are away, the lights are dimmed, and everything feels just peaceful. That's the power of Neo's autonomous chores feature. And if there's a task it doesn't yet know how to do, there's an expert mode, where a real human from 1X can guide your Neo remotely, teaching it how to complete that task for next time. So it doesn't just do chores, it learns. And it's not just about chores. Neo is also a speech-enabled AI companion. It can help you cook, translate a new language, or remind you that your friend's birthday is tomorrow. Its audio intelligence listens only when you address it, and its visual intelligence lets it understand your surroundings. If you point to a spice on the counter and ask, "Is this paprika?" Neo might say, "No, that's cayenne pepper, and your glasses are on your shirt." It's that kind of intelligence, quietly aware, never overbearing. It's not perfect, and it's not pretending to be. The team behind Neo admits, this is the start of a long journey. But as the robot learns from real homes like yours, it updates through the cloud, growing more capable with every task. Laundry today, groceries tomorrow, and one day, a full dinner prep from start to finish. That's the roadmap of the Redwood AI system, an intelligence that breaks tasks down into simple steps. Walk, grasp, place, and repeat. Step by step, Neo is learning to live like us. And that's the part that gives me chills. Because this isn't about replacing people. It's about giving time back to them. The time you'd spend scrubbing, organizing, rushing through chores. You can now spend on the things that actually matter. Talking with your family, picking up a hobby, or just resting. Neo doesn't ask for attention. It just quietly makes your life better. Of course, the internet had its own reaction. Within hours of the launch video dropping, comment sections filled with everything from awe to Black Mirror jokes. Everyone's chill until those headlights turn red. Hey Neo, patrol the perimeter with the AK-47. Or my favorite. Neo, open the door. I'm sorry, Harry. I'm afraid I can't do that. You can feel the mix of fascination and fear. Because for the first time, the sci-fi we joked about is standing right in our living room. But this is where 1X did something smart. They didn't build a robot that feels like metal and code. They built one that belongs. Neutral colors like tan, gray, or dark brown. A machine-washable knit suit that makes it look like part of the furniture. Rounded features, soft gestures, no uncanny stares or sharp edges, just presence. It doesn't want to dominate your space. It wants to disappear into it, until you need a hand. And that's when you realize, this isn't a promise anymore. This is a product. A real humanoid robot that can live with you, help you, and keep learning from you. It's not perfect. It's not cheap. But it's here. And that alone changes everything. The company calls it the moment robotics stops feeling like a promise and starts feeling like a product. And I think that's exactly what it is. A quiet revolution. Starting not in a lab or a factory, but right here, in the place we call home. So the question isn't if humanoid robots are coming, it's when will you let one in? Because the future just knocked on your door, and this time, it knows how to open it.